kids' fairy tale adventures.
Once upon a time, in a quiet village, lived a kind girl named Cinderella. She had a heart full of dreams and eyes that sparkled with hope. Her father had passed away, leaving her with a cruel stepmother and two selfish stepsisters. Every day, Cinderella worked from dawn to night sweeping floors, cooking meals, and mending dresses. Despite the cruelty, she never lost her gentle smile. She whispered to the birds and sang to the mice, who became her closest friends. One morning, a royal messenger arrived with exciting news. The king would hold a grand ball for the prince to choose his bride. The stepsisters squealed with joy, while the stepmother smirked. Cinderella, too, dreamed of going, but she stayed silent. As the day of the ball approached, Cinderella carefully stitched gowns for her stepsisters, pouring all her skill and kindness into every thread. On the night of the ball, she shyly asked,
"May I go too?"
But her stepmother sneered.
"You, in rags, stay home where you belong."
Tears filled her eyes as she watched the carriage leave. She ran to the garden, her heart heavy with sorrow. Suddenly, a soft glow surrounded her. A gentle fairy godmother appeared, her wand shimmering with stardust.
"Why are you crying, child?"
The fairy asked. Cinderella told her dream of dancing at the ball.
"Dry your tears,"
said the fairy. With a wave of her wand, a pumpkin turned into a golden carriage, mice into horses, and rags into a shining gown. Cinderella gasped at her sparkling shoes of glass. She twirled, her heart soaring with joy.
"Go, my dear,"
said the fairy godmother, "but remember, at midnight, the magic will fade." At the palace, guests gasped as Cinderella entered. Glowing like moonlight, the prince's eyes locked on hers. He offered his hand. Together they danced, as if the world had disappeared. Hours melted away in laughter, music, and gentle smiles. The prince felt as if he had known her forever. But as the clock struck midnight, Cinderella panicked. She ran, her gown fading, leaving behind one glass slipper. The prince held the slipper close.
"I will find her, no matter what it takes,"
he vowed. The next day, royal guards carried the slipper to every home. Each maiden tried it on, but none could fit. At Cinderella's house, the stepsisters shoved and tugged, but their feet were too large.
"May I try?"
Cinderella whispered. The stepmother laughed cruelly, but the guard nodded. As she slipped her foot in, the slipper fit perfectly, shining like it had found its true owner. The stepmother gasped, the sisters froze, the prince himself stepped forward, joy lighting his face.
"It was you,
He said softly.
the one I've been searching for."
Cinderella's eyes filled with tears, not of sadness, but of happiness she never thought possible. The prince knelt before her.
"Will you come with me and share my life?"
She nodded, her heart blooming like spring after winter. The palace welcomed her warmly, not for her beauty, but for her kindness and courage. The stepmother and sisters, humbled, could only watch as Cinderella's life changed forever. But Cinderella, gentle as ever, forgave them, proving her heart was greater than any crown. And so, with love, kindness, and hope, Cinderella's dream came true. And children, remember, kindness is the most magical gift of all.
Wow, that was magical, wasn't it? Thanks for joining the adventure. Don't forget to smile, dream big, and believe in yourself. See you in the next story. It's going to be even more exciting. Bye-bye, little stars.